Hey y'all, I got sent over a motorized standing desk from TOPSKY. We're going to get this thing put together and check it out. Stick around. Now I'm going to fast forward through putting it together really because there are some good videos on the Amazon product page that goes into detail on putting it together, so a much better job than I'd be able to do. So I'm going to get her done and then we'll check it out. Looks like it's well organized in the box. Okay, so I thought that this hole right here would go into this hole, but these holes are too small for the M610 screw. So obviously they do not go all the way in. And we haven't tightened these up yet, so we'll be able to adjust it to our desktop. Once I get my desktop laid down, then I'll see where we're at, then I will tighten these up. Okay, we got the desktop right there. We're going to put this up there and get it bolted down. But before I do that, I wanted to go over some specs real quick. It's a 3-stage dual motor. The adjustable height is 23.6 inches all the way up to 49.2 inches. The adjustable width of this will be 43 inches to 67 inches. So my desktop there is 47 inches, so this should be fitting fine. And that's what you have these center rails for, is you can slide it in and out. And you can put a much larger tabletop on there if you'd like. It'll go up to 80 inches. And it has a 300-pound load capacity. Frame weight, 42.6 pounds. These little doodaddies right here on the ends, they're pretty heavy. Don't drop them on your toes. Anyway, just was going to go over that real quick, and we'll move on. We'll go over the buttons when I get it all matted up and get it going. And you can take these feet off and put casters on there if you'd like, which is what I will be doing, because I move it from this room to the other room to the other room, because I use it to do product reviews on. Let's get this put on there, and we'll go from there. Okay, when you're putting the screws in these legs, here and back here, there's a big hole. And then you've got to go through there with the screw to get it into your tabletop. It doesn't say anything about needing any special tools. However, you are going to need a Phillips screwdriver that is magnetized, because you can't hold that screw and get it down through this tube. So you're going to have a magnetic screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver. Anyway, that was one of the things I had a little bit of an issue with. Luckily, I had a magnetizer. So I magnetized a bit and put it on the drill. It doesn't come with a screwdriver, so you'll have to have your own. Not a big deal. Also, one other thing is make sure that those screws are not too long for your tabletop. Over on that corner, it's slightly got a little bulge. The rest of them, I found some little washers, and I used washers. So just double check the length of that screw to make sure it don't go all the way through your desktop. Now we're going to do the electronics part of this. Okay, we've got it down to 23.6 inches. That is going to probably be pretty close. There you go. This is showing 24, about 24.25. Now, that's pretty close. If you push the up button, it will just go up a little bit and it'll stop. Push the 1 button and it will go all the way down. Push the 2 button and it will go midway up. Then you can push the 3 button and it will go all the way up. Now, as you can see, I'm bending down just a little bit so I can be in frame. But anyway, arm height, I'm about 5'9", so there you go. Goes up to, what was that? 49.2 inches. Go back to 2. We'll go midway down. I'll show you a few more things. Okay, if you want to change it to centimeters, just press that S button and hold it in for a moment. Start flashing that 5 and hit that up arrow and that goes into your units. You hit 1 and that will go to your metrics. If you want to save it there. If you want to change it back to inches, just hold the S button again. Hit your up arrow to go to units and hit the 2 and it'll go back to your inches. Hit the S button and save it. It is pre-programmed as we saw a while ago, but if you wanted to change the height and stuff, you would just get it to the height you'd want. Say you go 35.2 inches, press the S button. And then push that 1. And push the S button again. And that will save it to that. There you go. Now, if you need to do a factory reset, just hold the S button down and keep holding it until over here it'll start flashing FAC. Give it a moment. There you go. Hit S again and it's factory reset. Remember, we reset that 2 a while ago, so now it's set back to 36.6 inches. There you go. It does have the collision preventer on it. That means if it starts to hit something, it will stop. So you're raising it all the way up, and there's something on the wall right here. Oop, I hit the wrong one. And just pretend something's there. And it'll stop and it'll go back down just a little bit. So if you have something on your wall back here, it will hit it and it'll stop. So there we have it. That is a really strong and heavy duty frame. You know, you have to have your own desktop. Make sure it's thick enough so the screws don't come all the way through, which I've got a little bit showing over here. But I felt it, so I stopped, so it's not a big deal. If you have a thinner table like this, just put washers in there. Like I mentioned earlier, you can have a larger desktop, goes up to 80 inches. You can spread these legs apart, and it'll accommodate the bigger tables. So definitely a thumbs up. Also, and forgot to mention it, it does have the dual motors. So it's not pulling from one side or the other. Keeps it more level. Definitely a good thing. If you'd like to get one of these, I'm going to put a link down in the description where you can go order your own today. And also, if you got any value out of this video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. Not much else to add to it. Great desk. Definitely a thumbs up. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.